Polly, stop it. Hello. Today I am extremely excited because this came in the post and I don't know how I have resisted all temptation to avoid opening it, but I genuinely have not opened it because I wanted to do an unboxing video. If you're wondering what this is, I ordered some items, well, 2 items from Urban Decay over the weekend. Polly, and they have now arrived and the time has come to open them. So let's get started. I know that I ordered a makeup palette and I ordered the primer, the eyeshadow primer, but I can't remember at all what the makeup palette looks like. So here we go. It's got this black tissue paper and here are the goods that I ordered. Wow, well this is quite exciting. So this is the palette that I got and it's called the Detour On The Run palette by Urban Decay. I don't know why I just said by Urban Decay. You know it's by Urban Decay. Polly's meowing because she wants to come in. Do you know what? If I just put the fairy lights away, then Polly will be able to come in because she won't keep trying to chase them. Oh, attempt number 39. Okay, yeah, so this was the eyeshadow palette. And it's got this really nice packaging actually. It's sort of 3D packaging with their logo there. And as you can see on the back, there's a little sneak preview of what the colours are. So these are kind of like just sort of neutral colours, just with a bit of an interesting couple of blues in there as well and some more reddish autumnal tones. I think this is going to work really well for everyday makeup looks, going into the office, stuff like that. And because of these sort of deeper bluey colours, you could also do some quite cool dramatic makeup looks too. So I'm going to read out what it says. A weekend getaway, a love. Packing, on the other hand, sucks. Luckily we took the guesswork out of your makeup bag with this Detour version of the Born to Run palette. On the Run travels light but doesn't skimp on looks. This 8-pan palette is loaded with go-to sienna neutrals, a hand-picked teal hue and an iridescent lime transformer shade to switch up any look or to add a little ice. Very exciting. So opening it out of its initial packaging, which is always tricky. I don't want to break the box, but I think I might. Oh, here we go. Right, I really love the branding. It's really edgy and just, I don't know, it's very cool. Here's for the first opening of the palette. Oh, wow, they're amazing. They are seriously amazing. I love that shade there. So gorgeous, and these coppery sort of, as I said, autumnal shades are stunning. All in all, looks like a fabulous palette so far. I am going to do a makeup look with this palette, probably at the end of this video, so keep watching to see that in a minute. Yeah, I forgot about this. I also got a free sample with my order of the All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So it's just in this little package here and the samples here in a cute little bottle, if I can work out how to get it out. There we go. Once I've done my makeup in a minute, I will try this out as well. This is a really tiny mini haul. I don't know even if you can call it a haul, but the last item of this mini haul is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I wanted to try this product for such a long time. It's just, everybody says how amazing it is and that it keeps your eyeshadow makeup on for a long time. And this is something that I find quite annoying, is eyeshadow creasing throughout the day. Does anybody else find that your eyeshadow just halfway through the day is kind of like all creased up in the crease of your eye? I guess that's why it's called your crease, but it's very annoying. And I'm hoping that this will do a good job of stopping that problem. So I got the original shade. You can get lots of other different kinds of shades. I can't remember what they are off the top of my head, but I thought this would be a good one. So let's have a look. Wow, this is very cool. Look at that lid. That is super different. Ooh, I definitely wasn't expecting it to be in an applicator bottle. I was thinking that this little cute lid was going to come off and it was going to be a pipette type, not a pipette, a pipette type thing. I don't think it smells of much. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to tell how effective this is or how well it works until I've worn it for kind of a whole day just to assess its magic. I get so stuck with words, I always forget what the right word to use is and then I say the wrong one. So with these 3 wonderful items, I think I might get started and do a makeup look and test them out for you now. First of all, I'm obviously going to be using the eyeshadow primer and taking the applicator. I'm going to just apply this to my eyelids. I don't have any eyeshadow on at the moment. I have got a little bit of mascara, but I don't think that's going to matter. So, here we go. I guess you just swipe a bit on. I don't really know how you're meant to use it. I'm going to just dab that on and work that in with my finger. Feels quite nice to work with at the moment. I don't really know what to say about it. I have a feeling it's going to do a good job. And the same for the other eye. I'm just dabbing it in with my finger. It feels very silky and smooth, which is really nice. Feels like it's a nice base for the eyeshadow. Oh dear. I've literally just dropped all my makeup brushes on the floor. I'm not sure if I need to, but I am just going to set that quickly with a little bit of translucent powder. You may have noticed I've just applied my foundation and set it because I don't like doing it after eyeshadow, so I didn't think you needed to see that. But I do have a video of my current foundation routine on my channel if you wanted to watch that. So I'm now going to do the eyeshadow. I am super excited to see what this will be like. So I'm not sure which shadows I'm going to use. I'm going to start off with Off the Grid as just a kind of transitional shade. It's got a mirror. Oh, it has a mirror. And it has a peely thing, so I can peel it off. So with the shade Off the Grid on my brush, I'm just going to apply that to my eyelid. Wow, that has very cool undertones. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but that is not what I was expecting it to look like. I don't know, I thought it might be just a little bit darker than it is, and a bit more warm toned, mid-video orange juice top up. So I think I need to go in with this one, which is called Escape, and taking any kind of nice blending brush, you just want to apply that to the crease area of your eye. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. That's very warm and orangey coloured. Wow. I'm going to take this out a little bit wider to make it just a little bit more dramatic. My fringe is peeking. These shades are really pigmented, which is nice. They're so vibrant. I don't think I have actually tried an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette before, which is crazy because they used to be all the rage. The naked palettes, I just can't believe that I never tried any of them. But this is my first Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that same shade onto my lower lash line as well. There's so many nice shades, I really don't know which one to go in with next. My natural choice would be to use this one, which is Confidential, but I really want to use the Plunge shade. Maybe I'll just swatch the Plunge shade. That is so nice. It's really metallic-y and glittery. Does it fit in this eyeshadow look? I think I'm going to go in with Confidential. I'm being safe. And I'm using a smoky eye brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of the eye. Wow, that is nice. It's kind of like a shade darker than the Escape that I used before, which is really nice. And it just works really well for building up the more intense, dramatic look. That is so nice. I love this palette so far. It's really gorgeous. I found a way that we can use Plunge. I think I'm going to use it on my lower lash line. Wow! Here goes. I really like this. It's so nice. That has just kind of taken the look from a regular autumnal smoky eye to a more diverse and exciting smoky eye. I'm just going to go back in and kind of blend that out. There's so many beautiful shades that I've not even used, but I think if I use too many in this look, it's just going to look really silly. So I'm going to go back in with Off the Grid, and using just a small detail brush, I'm going to apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Look how pigmented that is, just going on there. And I'm going to apply it just below my brow as well. So I think that's all I'm going to use the palette for. I really love how this has turned out. This is exactly the kind of look that I was hoping to achieve with this palette. So I think this needs a little bit of eyeliner and obviously lashes. So I'm going to go and apply those and I'll come back in a second. I'm back and with a lot more makeup on than before. So I finished applying my liquid lipstick and I used the NYX Lip Lingerie in French Maid. Lashes are the Girls with Attitude Merbabe lashes. Girls with Attitude lashes are genuinely my favourite lashes ever. And the last thing we have left to do is to use the setting spray. I am so excited about this. I didn't even order this, this was a freebie in the order, so that just makes this so much more exciting. It says temperature control technology up to 16-hour wear. So that's going to be really well used, seeing as I'm going to take this off after this video. That kind of seems like a waste. But oh well, I'm doing it for the video. Okay, here we go. I'm going to spray it at my face. Come on. Oh, oh, that is so good. That feels amazing. It's such a fine mist, which is definitely makes such a difference when you're using a setting spray. And it's dried really quickly as well. I think that I can say I'm an absolute fan of this setting spray. Obviously, having worn it for literally like 30 seconds, I don't know how well it's going to last, but it feels fantastic on my skin. I've got other ones which are just, they feel really heavy and just not really very nice or good quality. But this one, it just feels so nice and fresh on my skin. And I wish that I could keep this makeup on so that I could try it out for longer, but I don't have anywhere to go. I suppose I could wear this for watching Netflix. My eyeliner did go a little bit haywire, but that's because I was actually having a hypo whilst doing this makeup look, so I have an excuse. I'm definitely going to be using this eyeshadow palette tomorrow for work. I really like it a lot. Yeah, I just think it's got the perfect mixture of shades in it. Perfect for this time of year, for the autumn look. Look, there's me, twice. I didn't even use 16th Street or Dash, so I have all these possibilities. And the very best thing about Urban Decay is that they are cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about using them if you are concerned for the animals, and I just think that's fantastic, and I will definitely be supporting Urban Decay a lot more. Let me know in the comments if you're a fan of this makeup look and if you would like to see more videos like this. I hope that you've enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you like it, but if you don't like it, then I'm so sorry. I've also got links to my social media channels in the description, so if you're interested in finding me on Twitter or Instagram, then I'd love for you to say hello. Thank you so much for coming and just getting to the end of the video. Genuinely, that means so much that you have dedicated the time to come here today. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day and have a lovely week, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.